Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making stir fried green pea masala. For this we need 100 grams of green pea, 1 medium size chopped onion, very finely chopped ginger, chopped garlic, turmeric powder, salt to taste, red chili powder, garam masala, coriander seed powder, green chili chopped, black pepper powder, coriander leaf for garnishing. So take a frying pan, add 1.5 teaspoon of vegetable oil, add 3 cloves of chopped garlic, half an inch of finely chopped ginger, cook for half a minute. Now add 1 medium size chopped onion and cook till onion is transparent. Now add 3 chopped green chili or as per your taste. Toss it up, cook for a couple of seconds. Add 100 grams of green pea. You can use fresh green pea or frozen one, whatever you have. Mix it, cook for half a minute. Now add salt to taste. Mix it again. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add half a cup of water, little water. Cover it and leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, cook it till all the water evaporate. Mix it and add coriander leaf. And your stir fried green pea masala is ready. You can use it as main course, you can use it as a starter. So try stir fried green pea masala. Thank you.